Imagine a glass filled with a lush, tropical blend of vibrant colors. A concoction so smooth, it slides down your throat like silk. The explosion of flavors, sweet pineapple, tangy orange, and creamy banana, dance on your tongue, leaving you refreshed and invigorated. This isn't just any drink, it's the ultimate health-packed smoothie. Now, picture a kitchen countertop. The ingredients are simple: 1 ripe banana, half a cup of fresh pineapple chunks, half a cup of orange juice, and a handful of ice cubes. Start by peeling the banana and breaking it into chunks. Toss these into the blender. Follow with the pineapple chunks, making sure every piece is ripe and juicy. Pour in the orange juice, freshly squeezed if possible, for that extra zing. Finish off with a handful of ice cubes to give your smoothie a refreshing chill. Close the lid of the blender tightly. Hit the blend button and watch as the ingredients swirl together, morphing into a vibrant, tropical blend. The aroma wafting from the blender will transport you to a Caribbean beach. Once the mixture is smooth and creamy, pour it into a tall glass. The color is mesmerizing, an inviting shade of sunrise. The smoothie is ready for you to enjoy. This recipe isn't just about taste, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. The banana provides a good dose of potassium for heart health and digestion. The pineapple is packed with vitamin C and manganese, boosting your immune system and promoting strong bones. The orange juice adds more vitamin C and a burst of refreshing flavor. In under 5 minutes, you've created a tropical paradise in a glass. A smoothie that is not only delicious, but also a health-boosting elixir. So, the next time you're looking for a quick, nutritious breakfast or an afternoon pick-me-up, remember this easy, vibrant, and incredibly tasty smoothie recipe. Relish the taste, savor the health benefits, enjoy the tropical escape. This is the ultimate smoothie experience.